This podcast is brought to you by HEC Paris.
Thank you very much. The weather is marvelous, so I should be very short, but you're going to be disappointed. I'm going to spare a few minutes anyway, so sorry for that. Few things to say. First, I know that the protocol says that, in fact, I should not start with my colleagues, but I would like first to thank Laurent and Veronica for the organization of this meeting. I think it's very important, and I'm sure that it's very, very difficult for them. I know that when they have some difficulties, they send me some mail saying, well, there are some budget issues, there are some bureaucratic issues, and so on. So thank you very much, Laurent and Veronica, to this Heidi. And thank you. And thank you very much for one specific thing. The idea of this conference or this meeting comes from Laurent. And I am an academic, and as the dean knows, I'm very careful with one of my colleagues has an idea. Because when he said, well, we could do something, I never know how much it will cost to the institution, and I don't know if it will happen someday, because I never precise when. In the case of this idea, Laurent was just perfect, right in time. The costs are perfectly mastered. So once again, thank you very much. It's a good example for all our colleagues. The most important, maybe, I would like to thank you very much, all of you, for being here this day. We are very proud to welcome you here. It's very important, as my colleague Veronique told you this morning, it's very important to welcome you and to be a place where it's possible to exchange between top academics. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for the ones who have presented or who are going to present top contributions. I think, of course, I'm a professor of strategy. Don't smile. I know that the professor of finance and economics consider that the professor of strategy are just some kind of no, I won't qualify what we think about us. So it's but your smile means that we share the same perception. So so thank you very much for this for the level of your contributions. I also would like to thank the people coming from the companies. I think it's very important that people coming from the companies actually see what is the job of academics, and I think also it's very important that people from companies can ask questions, and I think that's part of the way research can be developed, and it's part of the DNA of HEC to make this proximity between companies and academics, and thank you very much for the ones coming from the company. That will be the end of my speech. Once again, thank you very much to all of you. Maybe two special mentions to two of you. I hope that the others won't be jealous. First, I would like to say hello to Andrew Siegel. I don't know where he is. Hi. I know that you're coming to HEC in a few days, so thank you very much for coming and welcome to HEC. And a special mention to Peter Phillips. Is he there? Thank you very much. I've been said that you were one of the advisors of Laurent when Laurent was a PhD student. So congratulations, good job, fantastic job. Thank you very much for you, okay? So thank you very much to all of you. Have a nice dinner tonight, and have a nice stay in Paris. The weather is with you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please visit us at www.hec.edu.